Are you tired of complicated side hustles that need thousands in startup costs, endless trial and error, or a fancy degree? What if I told you that in 2025, there's a way to earn $50 to $500 per hour using just your smartphone, with zero inventory, no storefront, and no marketing budget? Sounds too good to be true? Stay with me, because in this video, we're going to reveal the fastest growing online money-making method that's already creating six-figure earners. And it's just getting started. You don't need products, a website, or followers to make $500 a day. Just your phone and TikTok's viral affiliate system. Forget dropshipping. This 2025 side hustle pays daily with zero inventory. Use your phone, post short videos, and earn on autopilot. Welcome to Tech and Finance Code, where we break down the most powerful tools and trends shaping how people earn online. Today's episode is about a recession-proof business niche that blends social media engagement, e-commerce profitability, affiliate marketing commissions, and AI-powered product discovery. It's the perfect storm of visibility, automation, and simplicity. And it's creating income for people from all walks of life, including stay-at-home parents, college students, laid-off professionals, digital nomads, side hustlers looking to scale. If you've got a phone and Wi-Fi, you're already equipped. Before we dive into the TikTok model, let's talk about why the old methods are failing. The problem with dropshipping: ad costs are sky high. Facebook and Instagram CPMs can easily drain $2,000 plus before you see profit. Shipping delays kill customer trust, especially from overseas suppliers. Refund and chargeback rates are climbing. Margins are thin, typically under 25% after fees. And competition, brutal. Thousands are copying the same stores and products. Yes, dropshipping still works, but only if you have deep pockets, advanced marketing skills, and weeks to test. For beginners, it's a money pit. Now let's flip the new way: TikTok Shop Affiliate. TikTok launched its native e-commerce marketplace, TikTok Shop, which allows creators to promote physical products directly within the app. You don't need to own the product, ship it, or even speak to customers. 1. Create short videos showing or reviewing trending items. 2. Add affiliate links provided by the TikTok Shop seller. 3. Get paid commissions, sometimes as high as 50% per sale. That means if you promote a $40 kitchen tool with a 40% cut, you make $16 every time someone buys from your video. Multiply that by hundreds or thousands of views per video, and you start to see the potential. It's like TikTok meets Amazon affiliate, but better. This niche isn't just trendy, it's strategically superior to most online business models. Here's why. TikTok's algorithm rewards new creators and small accounts, giving you exposure without needing followers. One good video can explode overnight. No need to find suppliers or negotiate. TikTok already partners with thousands of vendors across popular niches: electronics, fashion, home goods, beauty, fitness, pet products, you name it. You can use voiceovers, text overlays, AI-generated voices, or screen recordings. Nobody has to know who you are. Perfect for introverts or people with full-time jobs. Buyers never leave the app. They watch, click, and buy seamlessly. Fewer clicks equals more conversions equals more commissions. TikTok Shop recommends trending products with high conversion rates, so you know what to promote, even as a beginner. Let's talk about the results. People made practically not by theories. A small-town mom created daily short videos reviewing home gadgets. Now, she earns $300 per day consistently, with no prior experience. A 20-year-old student started with zero followers, made faceless review videos, and scaled to $7,000 per month in 90 days. A part-time barista started live streaming makeup tools after work. She now brings in $20 to $40 per stream, and she's only just started. This business rewards creativity and consistency, not credentials. People with zero social media background are building real income streams, some even hiring virtual assistants to scale their content. Ready to begin? Here's your 5-step TikTok Shop launch plan. 1. Create a TikTok creator account or buy a verified account with 5,000 plus followers to unlock livestream. 2. Visit the TikTok Shop Creator Center and sign up for the affiliate program. 3. Browse for hot deals or top products. Focus on items with high commission rates, 20% or more. 4. Create content using your phone or Canva or CapCut templates. Short, engaging, and informative videos. 5. Publish consistently 1 to 3 videos per day and test your top performers. No upfront investment, no tech headaches. You're selling what's already working using free tools and organic reach. Make your life easier with these free or budget tools. CapCut for fast video editing, hooks, and text overlays. Canva Pro for faceless video templates, product demos, and graphics. InShot, great for vertical videos on mobile. Amazon and TikTok Shop Analytics, spy on top-performing products. Pexels Pixabay for free stock footage. Google Trends to find seasonal items with momentum. Add an optional mic or ring light under $30 if you want to improve quality, but you can start with just your phone. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Don't promote low-quality, generic items. It kills trust. Don't spam random products. Stay niche-focused. Don't copy big creators. Instead, model trending formats with a twist. Don't give up if your first few videos flop. TikTok is momentum-based. One viral video can change everything. Think of each video as a mini salesperson that works for you 24/7. Once you've proven the model and found winners, batch create content daily or weekly. Partner with multiple vendors to promote various products. Launch a second or third account to expand reach. Outsource video editing or script writing to freelancers. Use TikTok Live to sell in real time with direct conversions. Track metrics and reinvest into better tools, better content. This isn't just a hustle, it's a scalable income system. You've just seen how TikTok Shop affiliate marketing can generate real, repeatable online income in 2025. No product costs, no startup capital, no tech skills required. Just a phone, the right steps, and a little consistency. Subscribe to Tech and Finance Code for more videos like this. Comment below and tell us what kind of business you are starting today. Like if you're serious about launching your first faceless income stream this week. This is the online income wave of 2025. Catch it before it's too late.